Okay, so I'm gonna cover the backwards propagation. So if you remember, we have z1, which is w transpose x plus b, which goes to a1, which is some activation function applied to z1, which goes to z2, which is just w transpose, or actually I'm thinking, whatever, w transpose a1 plus b, which is z2, and then we have a2, which is also some activation function applied to z2 in this case. Now to go backwards, obviously we want to start all the way in the back, so the derivative of, I'm going to do this in a different color, so the derivative of z2 is going to equal to a2 minus y, and I'm going to do capital Y, and capital Y is just all of our i's. I mean, what the fuck, I meant y. So y1 to ym, and then the derivative of our w2, and honestly, sorry, I should have put 1's here, forgot to put 2's here, right, second layer, whatever. Okay, so the derivative of our w2 is going to be 1 over m times the derivative of z2, which is right here, multiplied by a1. And then the derivative of our b2 is obviously, oof, and I forgot to say derivative of w2 here. So the derivative of our b2 is just going to be 1 over m times the sum, and actually I'm just going to do the sum sign, summation notation, is going to be the sum of all of our derivative of z's. And here, actually I'm going to do this up here because I'm kind of running out of space. So the derivative of z1 is going to equal to, Lord, okay, it's going to equal to w2 transpose, obviously, w transpose times the derivative of z2, that's a 2, not a z, times the inverse of our activation function applied to z1, right? So that's a1, right? Because the activation applied to z1, which is this, but we take the inverse of that, and then what's it called? And then let's do this one, and the derivative of w1, similar to logistic regression, is just going to be 1 over m times the derivative of z1 times all of our x's and transposed, obviously. And then the derivative of our b1 is going to be 1 over m times the sum of all of our derivative of z's. So we went completely backwards. Boom, 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 boom.